What is going on, everyone? Anthony Drew Gary here, and this week on the How To Show, we are going to spend some time talking about health savings accounts, and more importantly, all of the different things that you can purchase through one of those accounts that you may have not known about. And so we're going to get into a really useful tool that can show you all of this. But the reason that we're doing this video is because if you can buy things that you're probably going to buy anyway through your health savings account, you essentially get a discount on it by whatever your income tax rate is. And so if it's 10, 12, 22 or beyond percent, just think about that in terms of the savings that you could get on all of these different items that you get to purchase. So let's check that out now. This is a really useful website. It's called hsastore.com. And as we dive into the website, you'll see that you have the ability to purchase things from this store. But even if you choose not to do that, they are the most robust, up-to-date list of all of the different things that you can buy with your health savings account dollars that I have ever seen. And I wanted to make sure you guys knew about this. And so if you use the website, you can search for a specific item, or you can go A to Z. And really, they have this broken down as eligible, not eligible, or basically some sort of contingencies or some extraneous circumstances with limitations, as they call it. And so this part of the website goes A to Z like it really sounds. And so AA meetings down to acid controllers, air purifiers, allergy medications, ambulance and emergency room, all the way up to antibacterial hand sanitizer. And so you can click on any one of these, like antacids, for example, and you can click down and it gives you a little blurb, and you can go to full details on any one of these to figure out whether or not your item that you're looking to buy is eligible to be purchased through a health savings account. And you can hit the load more button, but we'll just continue on and we'll click another page. We'll go to H, for example. Hair removal, unfortunately not eligible, but again, hand sanitizer is, health screenings are, hearing aid batteries are. There are a lot of things that the average person, if you continue to look through these, there's a good chance that you may be buying these items. And so you might as well use the tax advantaged dollars in your health savings account. And I do have to make a small disclaimer that in order to use a health savings account, you have to have a high deductible health plan. I did a deep dive into health savings accounts and their mechanics later, or in a previous series of episodes, actually. So you can go back and check those out on my channel. Just type in Anthony Drew Gary health savings account. It'll come right up. But we'll continue. We'll just click a different letter and go to M. Makeup is not eligible, but massage therapy might be, and there are good things here. Mattresses, unfortunately, not eligible, but medical equipment, medical monitors, different things of that nature. This is a good, realistic website for you to check and see if the things that you're potentially going to buy are covered or not. And so if we go back to the home page, you'll see that there are popular categories here, and we'll go ahead and go to those individually. There's a tab on it for best sellers, and of course they'll give you $25 off your first order. Again, this is a place where you can buy things, but there are a whole bunch of items here that people generally like to have, and that you can get them through your HSA. Deep tissue muscle massage is a good example. A lot of people have these and have probably paid through their normal checking accounts or whatever for them. The back rollers are really popular, breast pumps, or health trackers, different types of things that are really popular. You can look for them here. And if these are things that are on your wish list, you can get them in a tax advantaged way. And then they've got another page that talks about surprisingly approvable things that start to talk about some of the same things, but go into 23andMe, or just breast pumps, or I think there's even some different types of acne treatments, things that'll even cure your back pains. Icy Hot, Shaquille O'Neal loves to make those commercials, and you can buy them with your HSA now. And so I'm not going to go into every single item that can be covered with your health savings account, but you owe it to yourself to just double check to find out if the things you're going to buy anyways could be purchased through your HSA. That's going to bring this episode of the show to a close. Hopefully you got some value from this and you found out something on that list that you can now buy with your HSA. Or to take it a step farther, you can buy it with your own money and your own accounts and save that receipt and pull it out later on. Again, I've got a whole series on optimizing your health savings account. You can look for that on my channel page. But the idea is the same. You're getting benefit from things that you're probably going to be buying anyway. So check into this, make sure it can be of benefit to you. As always, you can subscribe to the channel, be the first to know about new content each and every Wednesday. And you can leave me a comment down below letting me know what you buy with your health savings account if you want to. Or you can keep that private, and actually, now that I think about it, that's a good idea. You keep what that is to yourselves. But as always, you can leave me a comment down below. Let me know that you liked the episode, hated the episode. If you have a future topic that I should cover, let me know about that too. And always check back to the channel. You can see me in short form on every day that is not Wednesday, and long form on Wednesdays just like this. And if you are looking to transact real estate in the Indianapolis market or in the greater Indiana market, get in touch with me in the comments or at indydwell.com. Until next time, this is Anthony Drew Gary, host of The How To Show, signing off.